Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Day coming at you from the kitchen, and it's late as hell. But I just wanted to share this with y'all so y'all see I got a backdrop. Right? It looks like a good backdrop, right? Except you can see these lines right now. I don't know why these lines want to show because they was not showing any of my other videos. Let me see. Focus on me. That's a little bit better. But yeah, this is my little backdrop thing that I got going on, and y'all can see like in my pictures on Instagram and the pictures that I post on Twitter that it's not always red. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's green, sometimes it's black, sometimes it's pink. And yeah, I just wanted to share it with y'all because it's like people on YouTube who like already got their stuff going. They got the camera that they want, the lighting that they want, backdrops and stuff. They never want to share what it is that they doing. So I was like, forget it. This was the cheapest backdrop and one of the easiest backdrops to where it looks flat that I could find. And these are just for poster boards to put on the wall. So I got some more over here, but you know, the little school poster boards, the ones that you can like roll up, the little, they're not little, but you know, the poster boards like this. See? And just the poster board. And I got 4 of them. So it goes 1, 2. Oh, Jesus. I got a paper cut in my head. I think, am I okay? Oh, Jesus. Lord have mercy. So as I was saying, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 poster boards. And they're all hung up on some thumbtack. And I got me a backdrop. And these poster boards is less than $1. So I just thought I should share that. I know I should get up and actually show y'all, but I'm not in the mood to do that. And I think that you can figure out how to put 4 poster boards on the wall. And so I had saw somebody had did poster board, but they made it extra complicated. They had 1 poster board and then got like this hanger rack and punched holes in it and then put it on the hanger rack and hung it behind themselves. And I was like, nah, let's just get some poster boards and pin them to the wall. And that's what I did. And then I got all types of colors. I got blue, I got green, I got black, I got pink. And then they poster board, so you could just spray paint it with glitter paint, and then you got a glitter backdrop. Or if you know how to draw, you can draw your own backdrop or whatever it may be. And then you know these come in all types of colors, white, yellow, everything else, and you only need 4. So it's like $2 for a backdrop, and then you get a pack of thumbtacks for like $2-3 bucks, and then you got you a backdrop for less than $5. That's dope as hell to me, and then it looks nice. I couldn't ask for anything more. But I just wanted to share that with y'all because I get very upset when I ask other YouTubers for help and they be acting like they got the secret Krabby Patty formula or something. It's like, hell, it's just a backdrop. It's just what lights you use. It's just what camera you got. I probably ain't got no money to buy it anyway. But it's okay because I'm going to tell them because this is dope. Okay, and it was real easy. And you know, if I figure out another way to do something easy, I'm gonna tell y'all because we gotta stick together because we all trying to make it. And these heifers that's already there is fake and rude and mean. You know what? Because YouTube ain't gonna last forever. But yeah, that's all I had to say before I start ranting and going on a big old rant thing. So yeah, yeah, that's a backdrop. Just 4 poster boards and then thumbtacks in every corner. Oh, to make sure that it lays flat, don't overlap them. Just get the lines as close as possible. You can see a little white right here. I could have got them closer, but I didn't. But don't overlap them because if you overlap them, they'll start to like bulge out in the middle and they'll look a mess. So just have 1, 2, 3, 4 poster boards. You can see the intersection right here. I sit in the middle of it so you can't really see it. But yeah, you just need 4 poster boards and then you thumbtack each corner. I didn't thumbtack the bottom ones, but that's fine. You'll figure out how to do it. Then your parents, like if you still live with your parents, they'll more than likely be okay with you putting thumbtacks in the wall as compared to trying to like tape something or you know, bang holes in the wall trying to do something. So yeah, cheap backdrop, less than $5. I hope that helped. If you have questions, just comment down below. I'll help you. It shouldn't be hard, but you know, on YouTube we just assume that nobody can do anything based off of basic instructions. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. That's all I'm going to say. So yeah, it's late. I gotta wash my face. It is 10:43. I have class in the morning. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Y'all have a good night, day, morning, life, because I'm going to sleep. Bye.